Yeah, I think I finally got the dust collection on this thing working much better than it has. I start out with a dust right bolted down, and then I have a Y. So the one pipe comes around the back to the stock port, which basically just sucks stuff down these and a little bit around in here. But then the other one comes up here to this one, which I have up here, and I use the screw that you use to put that other piece on to keep it in place, and it's pretty darn strong. It stays there well. I did have to use a self-tapper over there. But here, let me do a quick video and show you how the dust collection. Here we go. Turn on dust collection. So that is connected to my Laguna, which is a decent suction for what it is, but yeah, I mean, you can see it kind of getting sucked up inside, about the same amount around back. I'll clean it up real good and then show you again later. So it's been about a week since I changed around all the dust collection on this. And this is the dust that's still here. Most of it confined to right there in that area, not too much all the way around. I cleaned this off really good after recording the last video and just wanted to see what the buildup looked like after about a little bit of use. I mean, not much of anything down there, a little bit, but overall, not too bad.